Hi everyone, welcome back to GreyBeard Media. We're back at Anfield. This one we're going to check in on the last few rows of seats. The colour, is it all red now? Pretty much that is only the job left to be done really at Anfield. Club store, check. All the murals, check. All the other jobs that were done around Anfield, chalked off. But there's a lot more to come around Anfield, especially around the area of Anfield. The regeneration. There'll be a lot of roadworks happening very soon with the amount of money that's been ploughed into the area. Finally, we're going to be covering this also. I'm going to be doing a separate video very soon on that because is it going to improve the area massively? Let's hope so. Anfield has needed a lot of money ploughing into the area around Anfield, so we're going to be following that also on the channel. We're going to check in on the third Diogo Jota Mural, and why we check in on that I'm going to tell you about. The Football Association, the Community Shield this weekend, Liverpool v Crystal Palace. I might be part of that tribute to Diogo Jota that the FA are planning to do in like their kind of build-up football show. It's going to be sent to all the broadcasters around the world. They asked for drone footage of the Diogo Jota murals from John Colshaw, Paul Curtis, and they emailed me, which I will put on the screen later. I sent them clips from each mural, so I might actually be part of that tribute, or my footage anyway. That'll be really good. So yeah, without further ado, don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. Let's get the drone up. And welcome back everyone. We are airborne. Just overlooking Anfield. I think there is posters up on the SKD stand. I'm not sure all of them have been done yet, but obviously 4 days ago, or 5 days ago, they're just finishing off the touches on this side. And all the Cop End part is complete. A couple of you asked me about Anfield Road stand and the reason why I'm staying quite low. 2 great games against Athletic Club. You asked me about the crest. Even though there's ropes hanging down there, the crest there in the middle. Go forward. There is no crest. I do not know what the delay is. If LFC know, let the fans know why is there no crest where those 6 pins are yet on the Anfield Road stand. And there's the seating situation. 2 little sections left to go, there and right in the corner. As you can see, right across as you pan to the left. It looks brilliant, doesn't it? And done 2 friendly games against Athletic Club. We finally got to see the dugout, all the main seating in the home and away areas. It looks brilliant. All revamped and refreshed, as well as inside as well. So we're gonna have a quick look at the SKD stand, I think. Like I said, I don't think it's going to get done this not before it's too much to do there before they start the season. We've got the Community Shield Sunday, but hopefully next season that will be sorted. You know, LFC do watch my content. I know that for a fact. And there's 2 jobs for you to do, LFC. Put the crest on Anfield Road. It needs doing. and the SK stand seating needs returning back to red. As we go over Skerries Road and Wilver and have a look on the posters on the SK stand, and we'll start dropping. There you go. That section pretty much done, isn't it? And we're now just waiting for this section. I just wonder why that has been left clear. Is it to do with more players we could be possibly signing? I do not know. If you've got any suggestions, put it in the comment section. Are we going to get Isaac? I'm not convinced. I'm really not. I would love him to come, but what will be, will be. Still plenty of time left in the transfer window. And we are still short in certain areas, especially on the left-hand side, with Diaz going as well as losing our forever number 20. And we're going to move on to that area now. So we carry on down this road here because the mural was completed yesterday. And as you can see, there's a little gathering down there. Mikey Rob videos down there for TikTok. I think Courtney Neary down there as well. Somebody else is down there too, I ain't going to even mention. As you can see, signing of the wall continues. Now the mural is complete. All the wall needs to be signed, please, but not on Diogo Jota section. By means you're allowed to sign all the bricks around Diogo Jota, but not on his mural himself on this one. That needs to be not signed at all. There's a lot of people waiting for their turn to sign it, and there's a few spaces left, you know. I'll quickly put a shot of when I was down there on the screen now. As you can see, it looks brilliant, doesn't it? Completed yesterday. It was only took 2 days to complete by murals, and that's the third mural done. And as we're talking about murals, Paul Curtis and John Coleshaw both did their ones, and the Football Association wanted to do a special piece for the Community Shield build-up on their football show. And it's a piece where, as you can see, Diogo Jota now coming into full view. Or this piece that's been put together, they wanted some drone shots of each mural. I sent mine across to Jake, who is putting this video together. Also, I believe Craig's TV1 sent some shots over too. We're the two main ones who covered this by drone. And Jake is putting this video together as a tribute to Diogo Jota and his brother Andre Silva. And this will be sent to broadcasters all around the world. They can use it if they want to in their TV programs, their football build-up match plays towards the game. You know, or they can use it the night before if there's any other kind of shows they put together, you know, with the Community Shields. So any footballing show, it's been sent to them by the Football Association, and this is what it says. I'll put it on the screen now. And yeah, it was an honour for me to receive this, and Paul Curtis gave them my my details. Hi Wayne, I'm a producer working on the Community Shield preview show for the FA. We're doing a tribute piece for Diogo Jota, and I came up and spoke to Paul Curtis about his new mural on Friday. He wasn't quite done with it. Then he mentioned you had filmed some drone footage of the finished piece. If possible, would you be able to send some of it across to us to use in our feature, please? Many thanks, Jake. And he also wrote the same with John Coleshaw. And so I sent him like 5 drone shots of each mural I did. This one we're looking at right now, the Forever 20. This wasn't even started, so this will not be, I don't believe, part of the review, even though it deserves to be. It's a fantastic piece by Murals. I'll drop down a little bit. As you can see, there's a few little gaps left to be filled in. So yeah, it was nice. I'm going to climb a bit now and go back towards Anfield. I don't want to get hit by a pigeon. I'm in their kind of range at the moment. So it's nice to be part of the tribute show, if my footage is shown. I didn't ask for any money. I don't want money. I don't want paying. I just said a mention for the channel. That's all. I'm not bothered about money. Not for this. It doesn't matter. It matters that we remember a team player. It matters that we remember a father. It matters that we remember a husband. It matters that we remember Diogo Jota, our forever number 20. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. So that wraps up another video. We wrap it up right at the end, where there's loads more supporters going to leave their messages on the top part of the wall, right next to Diogo Jota's mural. Perfect way to end the video, I believe. Don't forget to click like, share, subscribe. We'll be back at Anfield very soon, probably Friday, to check on the poster progress on the SKD stand. Seating progress still. There's 2 more blocks to be completed. And I think all the jobs are pretty much done. Then we'll focus on Anfield itself, the area around the stadium. There's a lot to be done. There'll be a video solely on that very soon. See you all for the next one. Bye for now.